Let me show you something. You all are struggling to write Humanize AI content since the ChatGPT update and all other AI models update. So I'm just gonna give you a single prompt, okay, one really simple strategy, a trick you may call it, which really works when it comes to writing SEO optimized articles and humanizing AI content. So what I've done is I have provided a written content by me to train to the ChatGPT first. Okay, so I just gave a prompt, this is my writing, so I've given an entire blog which is written by me, and then I asked it to analyze the all the methods and techniques, tone, style, every single thing, and then I said, and it went on analyzing my writing pattern and tone, style, engagement technique, structure, persuasion. So persuasion is really important when it comes to humanizing the content, right? And the engagement techniques. So engagement techniques, you can ask it to analyze and write in a story format, like use real examples or imaginary examples, and then use a simple language. I don't want AI to bombard with a word which I don't even know, because many people they're not aware of some complicated words which are only present in a dictionary, right? I don't want that. So I just told it to use in simple language, which I have written. When it comes to writing, when it comes to me writing articles, I use very simple language and in a first person perspective. And then I asked it to write, one of the blog title, and then it has provided me in my writing style. If I take it to the Quillbot and see, so if I take it to Zero GPT is nothing but a tool which will show you the Humanize influence or AI influence. Okay, I'm just going to paste it here and see, click on detect text. All right, you can see your text is still AI GPT generated, but the AI influence is not 100%, right? It has reduced to 52.27%. The more you reduce, the better it is. Okay, the better it is for human reading. So what you want to do is, it also highlights you in a yellow part. You want to take it to the Google Docs and simplify it even further and put it in a Zero GPT, and again you can work on trial and error method, right? If you keep iterating just like this, you're going to get a complete humanized article. Okay, so this is what you want to do, and I hope this video helped you. Like this video, subscribe and comment. I'll be making more SEO tutorials. There'll be a link in the description. Go check that out if you want to grow your SEO blogging and want to get an action plan to rank on Google, to improve your rankings on Google. With that being said, catch you on the next one.